everyone, and welcome to the Create Awesome Live with Samsung. I'm Kat Salaw, and I'm super excited because for today's hashtag Samsung Live, we get to talk more about the new Galaxy A35 and A55 5G. And we're doing it with the country's top P-pop girl group who has captured the hearts of the Filipinos. We hear their songs everywhere. We see all people posting their dance covers and dance challenges all over social media. And in 2 months, they're going to be having their first major 3-day sold-out concert, Beanieverse. So everyone, blooms! Let's welcome the nation's girl group and the newest members of hashtag Team Galaxy, Beanie.
I can feel your whole love. Oh shit. The moment I'm with you, and it's coming because back with you, it's philosophical. It's philosophical. On a white side, cause with you, baby, I can feel it. Ingat kirian, kasi para ba ingat Kinakabang ako ka, puso itong nadas ang shot sa libagid
Hey everyone, I'm Kat Salaw, and I am hashtag Team Galaxy. I was with Samsung when they toured the Philippines and they launched the brand new Galaxy A series. And now I am here at the hashtag Team Galaxy, the Create Awesome Live with none other than our nation's girl group, and the newest members of Hashtag Team Galaxy, Beanie! Hi, girls!
Hello po!
Thank you so much for making time for us. Alam naming sobrang busy nyo, but you know, we are here, we are at our Create Awesome Live with you, and we're so excited for you to be here. So, for all our viewers out there, lalo na yung mga blooms who are waiting for you to hear your voice, diba? Why don't you introduce yourselves?
2, 3, mabuhay! Hi, I'm Stacy and I'm Hashtag Team Galaxy.
Hi, I'm Mika and I'm Hashtag Team Galaxy.
Hi, I'm Sheena and I'm Hashtag Team Galaxy. Hi, I'm Gwen and I'm Hashtag Team Galaxy. Hi, I'm Aloy and I'm Hashtag Team Galaxy.
Hi, I'm Aya and I'm Hashtag Team Galaxy.
Hi, it's Joanna and I'm Hashtag Team Galaxy.
Hi, I'm Colette and I'm Hashtag Team Galaxy. And we are...
Beanie! There we go! Beanie is here. Ayan na, the comment section going crazy. Kaya sobrang excited namin. We're getting to know more about Beanie. But of course, we are also here because we want to talk more about the new Galaxy A35 and A55 5G. And we're gonna have a lot of fun with them. So girls, pakita nyo nga yung mga A35 and A55 5Gs nyo. Ayan na. So different colors. Whoever your favorite member is, baka it is time to get exactly the same phone para parang partners kayo, diba?
Yes.
So for sure, we're gonna have a lot of fun with them. And daming challenges and daming games for today. So make sure to stay tuned until the end of our stream. And if meron pa kayong mga kilala na mga blooms or maybe mga Samsung fans, please do not forget to share our Hashtag Samsung Live link para they can come and join the fun. All right. And if I were you, blooms, like I said, you see your favorite members here with the Galaxy A35 and the Galaxy A55 5G. And ito na ang chance nyo to go buy yourselves an A35 or an A55 5G because you get exclusive live freebies worth up to 8,070 pesos!
Wow.
Diba? That includes a free Galaxy Buds FE, a silicone case, and a travel adapter. Wow!
Bongga!
We want.
Gusto ko yung mga reacts. And of course, you can buy that at Samsung.com, delivered right to you. You can check the link in this live to go ahead to our buy page. Now, di ba gusto nyo matchy-matchy? I see iba-ibang kulay kayo, girls, no?
Yes, po.
Fave colors. Me, I have personally, here we go, terno. Yes. All right, and it's your turn to get your own as well. So, ito pa. Another one. If you stay, mga blooms dyan, until the end of our live stream, you can get a chance to get signed merch from Beanie.
Wow!
Yes.
Here's the merch.
Is lang patropiko.
Wow! Okay. A banner in the shade of...
Pantropico?
Yes.
Stickers.
In the shade of...
Pantropico?
A bag.
Wow, it's so cute.
A bag.
Bag.
A bag.
Pop
socket.
Wow.
And... Ding, 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 ding.
Wow, it's for
What's that?
phone.
What's that?
It's for the phone, yes.
Hindi, ang cute ng bag kasi tinan mo, pwede siyang maging ganito. Two-way.
Cute!
Wow! My nest.
Decor sa bahay. Oh.
I love the
Perfect
bag.
for summer.
And you're
Very
OOTD.
Ate Aya.
Thank you.
Exactly. Ayan, nakita nyo. Signed by Beanie.
Cute.
Nahawakan ni Beanie. Oh.
Wow.
Ipasa-pasa
Wow.
nyo para,
May beanie germs.
Beanie blessing.
Bini blessing.
Diba?
Wow.
Basbasan.
Bininyagan.
Wow. You're so
Wow.
witty. I love it.
Hashtag bininyagan. So, ayan. That's what you get to win later on. May quiz tayo mamaya. Kaya kailangan alert tayo lahat, taking down notes if possible, so that you can get the merch, of course, from Samsung and Beanie. All right, ayan na. So much time to share the live stream for you guys and enjoy the fun. But Beanie, I think it's time, my turn naman, to interview you guys right now kasi excited na talaga ako. It's time to learn more about Beanie. Okay?
Yes, okay.
All right, girls. We know that you've been so busy recently. I mean, your major concert is coming up very, very soon. Breathe na lang, no? But of course, you know, kahit busy kayo, I know na one day lang talaga dapat yung concert nyo.
Yes.
Diba?
True.
Pero, grabe yung nangyari. Kailangan nyo mag-add ng 2 more days. That's crazy. So what was your reaction when you first found out na, you know, sold out kayo for your first day?
Yes, nasa meeting po kami noon for our concert nung selling na po ng ticket. Tapos nag-aabang lang kami ng, uy, ayan na, nag-open na yung ticket selling. Tapos nag-aabang kami, hala, ilan na po yung nabibenta? Sold out na po ba? Officially, less than 2 hours po na sold out yung first day. Tapos napaisip po kami, kawawa naman yung ibang Blooms na hindi nakasecure ng tickets kasi sobrang dami po nasa X na nagtitweet sila na wala po, hindi po sila nakasecure. So sabi namin, sige, mag-day 2 po kami. And tinatanong kami ng management po kung kakayanin namin kasi ayaw naman po namin masacrifice yung quality ng performances kasi nga hindi biro yung 3 days na concert. So, ayun, nag-meeting kami muna ng girls bago namin sabihin yung final decision sa kanila and nagkasundo po kami na magkakaroon ng day 2 and day 3. Tapos, sabay po kasi namin in-open yung ticket selling ng day 2 and day 3. So, parang worry namin, may bumili pa kaya? Kasi baka mamaya, okay yung day 2, pero pagdating ng day 3, hindi na namin ma-sold out. Pero nagulat kami, in 2 hours din po, day 2 and day 3 sabay na sold out po.
Grabe, 3 days, sold out lahat. Lucky number 2 ata, 2 hours, di ba? Grabe. And, you know, question natin, yung mga nakabili ng tickets dyan, mga Blooms dyan, comment if you have bought your tickets already kasi, you know, swertihan talaga, no? Pero, it just means, I think, kailangan nyo na ng second major concert.
Wow. We shall see po. Yes.
Abangan.
Someday.
Hopefully, bigger venue. Sana po, sana.
Yan, i-manifest natin yan. Okay, so, you know, you have your concert, Beanieverse. We're so excited to watch it. But alam namin, ang dami niyo pang group activities na gagawin for, lalo na summertime, di ba? And also, you have Tala Arawan promotions. So, you want to talk about your activities for that?
Magkakaroon po kami ng sobrang daming mall shows and mga festivals po. So, bale, parang gusto po namin ikutin yung buong Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao for our Blooms po. Kasi talagang yung mga taga Mindanao, lalo na sobrang nagtatampo sila. Kasi, Bini, punta naman kayo dito sa Mindanao. So, gusto namin silang ma-treat ng maayos. Kasi, we love our Blooms.
Oh, that's so awesome. Kasi of course, di ba, hindi lang dito sa Metro Manila, whole Philippines, pati international, right?
Yes po.
So, you know, all the Blooms love you. And if you are a Bloom from Visayas or Mindanao, this is your chance. Comment away. Diba? Comment na para umabot na talaga sila and they're gonna make it there this whole entire, you know, next few months, hopefully. Okay, so let's talk about the most exciting partnership. What is that? Diba? Ito talaga eh. Ito yung mga partners na worth it eh, no? The partnership, knowing, you know, I wanna know when you found out na ito na, official na kayo ng Samsung, right? And you are now part of #Team Galaxy. How did you feel? What were your reactions?
Galing po kami ng isang event po nun. Parang galing kami ng isang event nun, tas parang nasa van na po kami, pauwi na po kami, tas in-announce po ni Miss MQ na part nga po kami ng Samsung. Grabe pong tilian po namin sa loob ng sasakyan.
Nagtanong pa nga po kami, for posting po ba? Or talagang endorsers na po kami?
Kilig po kami kasi user po talaga kami ng Samsung po. Even before pa po kami kinuha po ng Samsung. So, kilig po kami. So, sana po magtagal po kami ng Samsung.
Yes, tuloy-tuloy yan. Yes. And of course, diba, all the endorsers of Samsung, we love that. Love na love nyo rin sila, diba? O, mga kinikilig. Oh! Alright, may nag-record ba nung tili nyo sa car? Wala? Nung celebrations? It's okay. Now that you have your Galaxy A35 and A55 5G, time to record.
Dual recording para...
Dual recording.
Dual
Tama.
recording.
All right. Okay, so, I'm so excited. I know that a lot of our fans or a lot of the Blooms are very excited. I think it's time, let's check out if there are people. Ayan, ang dami nagko-comment. So, basahin natin yung ibang mga comments from our stream today. Hashtag, so excited that Beanie is now hashtag Team Galaxy na.
Thank you.
Hi. And we have another one that says, I can't wait na rin to watch their concert. Oh my gosh, wow. Ayan, nakakuha siya ng ticket.
Wow, congrats.
All right. All right. It's masyado ako na-excite. Okay, so we have your Beanieverse, we have all your activities. And since summer na, diba? Let's talk. I know sobrang busy nyo, but you make time, right?
Yes.
Yes. I feel like this question is for you. Ayan. So, kahit super busy nyo, you make time, and everybody here wants to know mga summer plans nyo, right? So, the things that you're gonna do now that the summer is here, and also, yung mga memories na iti-take nyo, ika-capture nyo to share it on social media. So, who wants to share first their summer plans?
Well, summer plan po, concert. Kasi yun na po yung naka-schedule po for our schedule. Even if, kasi po sometimes, even if we want to make our own schedule, but they already have a month-long schedule planned for us. But before that, I got to have my early summer plan, so I got to travel around while I also got to use this actually when I was traveling. So it's nice kasi sobrang linaw ng kuha po, and the color is very vivid. And yes, it's nice because, I was traveling in Vietnam, Hong Kong, and Thailand that time. Yeah, and it's so nice kasi it's yung gamit ko is the dual recording, so I get to take a video of myself and the nice scenery. So I love it so much.
Di ba parang vlogger mode?
Yes po.
The best
Maka-vlogger
vlogger mode.
yeah.
Oo, kasi you can record yourselves, selfie cam and back cam simultaneously, and you don't anymore need 2 cameras or to retake. Diba? So, great. Especially kayo. I'm sure all the Blooms want to know you guys, what you guys are doing talaga throughout this summer. So, vlogger mode is the mode that they'll be using. All right. Who else? Who else wants to share their summer plans?
Siguro po ako, gusto ko pumunta kami ng family ko sa resort. And I think, perfect tong kabanding kasi, for example, syempre may mga bata ka rin kasama, minsan makukulit. And this is splash resistant, so perfect for resorts.
Yes. Di ba yung mga water, yung nagtatapon ng water?
Yes, di ba po?
By the pool. Of course, because the Samsung Galaxy A35 and A55 5G are both IP67 splash resistant. So, as the girl said nga, perfect ito for pool photos because these are for fresh water photos na pwede kayo mag-splash around there, and then the photos are going to be fantastic pa rin. So, excited na kami makita ang mga summer content ninyo.
Abangan!
Yan, we're gonna also learn. Siguro later, bibigyan nyo kami ng mga tips on how to pose, on how to take selfies. Gusto nyo ba yon, Blooms?
Yes. Joanna po dyan magaling.
Ang feeling mo. Selfie Queen Joanna.
Okay. Tetest natin yan mamaya. The selfie queen Joanna. Is that... Wow! Yes?
Panindigan cute niya. Si Joanna po talaga yun. Si Joanna.
Bakit ikaw ang voted na selfie queen?
Hindi ko rin po alam. Ano na lang pinagtitripan
Mahilig po siya talaga ako yan.
I feel like, ayan, Blooms, bakit siya ang voted niyong selfie queen?
Comment down below. Joanna versus Ate Maloy.
All right. Okay. So, very, very excited for your summer plans and for the content, for the videos, the vlogger mode that you're going to be taking later, and all the mga splashy photos that you're going to have using your A35 and A55 5G. But right now, I feel like it's time na to play a little game. No? Super easy. This one, we're here kasi we want to get to know more about Beanie talaga. We want to know what you guys think. And I'm sure yun naman talaga ang gusto ng Blooms, diba? To really get to know each of you more. Yun na naman ang gusto nyo, diba?
Yeah.
So this game is called Who's most likely to?
Wow!
What's that?
Never pa po namin nalaro po ito.
Totoo. It's a new game for us.
We love that game.
Alright. Hindi ko alam kung joke o totoo eh.
Joke! Lagi po namin nilalaro.
So alam nyo na, sana yung mga questions ko iba.
Apo,
Yes. Para naman exciting. Alright, so who is most likely to? Of course, on the A30, on the phones that they have, the Galaxy A series phones, each member of Beanie, andun yung mga pangalan nila. And all they will do is answer the question with the name. Ayan, wala pang ang tanong, may sagot na. With the name of the member they think na pinaka-applicable, pinaka-pwede tong mga tanong natin. Alright? So, as they check their phones, again, we want to remind you guys that if you want to be like a Beanie today, you better get yourselves the Galaxy A series because it's on Samsung.com and you get freebies up to 8,070 pesos. Ayan.
I wanna join.
Kuha na kayo. Nauna. Inuutusan ko kayo.
Ay, meron tayong a little demanding dito. But I feel like kaya. Kaya, diba? Masunod yung mga bata. Okay, next. Are we ready to play Who's Most Likely to?
Yes!
Okay, ito na. Question number 1. Who is most likely to spend most of her time kaka-update sa social media? Dun, 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 dun. 3, 2, 1. Show your answers. We got Aya, Maloy, Joanna, Colette, Joanna.
Nag-react.
May violet reaction?
Si Colette. Feel ko si Gwen.
Sino ang...
Sino majority?
Majority ay...
Bakit ako? Ilang Joanna?
Snapper nga yan sa ex eh. Ba't paano naging...
Joanna...
Akala ko nga Stacy, sasagot ko sana eh.
I think it's Joanna and Maloy.
Si Gwen.
Is it a tie?
Feeling ko si Gwen talaga.
Ako na to, guys. Pinaka-OA.
I'm sorry. Pag uuwi kasi si Joanna, let's say from work, mag-tweet siya agad, "Hi, Blooms, kakauwi lang from a tiring day from work."
Ganyan siya
Gusto
po.
lang namin sasabihin mo
Papansin kasi si Joanna sa blues siya.
Tapos sasabihin niya, ay, kumain ako ng mangga today.
O, para
Wala
next
tayong
time
bibigyan siya ng mangga.
TMI. Ganun.
Gusto lang niya updated lahat.
Because she's the best leader.
Sana all.
Wow.
Sana all enough.
Okay, si Maloy rin got some votes.
Ate Aya rin, di ba? Oh, hindi ba?
Hindi.
Facts lang.
Thank you for thinking of me.
Magre-reply siya, ha 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 ha, ganun lang.
Hindi, lagi siyang nagpo-post ng update.
Stories.
Sa stories.
Ama stories ako.
Stories.
Versus, yeah.
Okay, and then Colette, meron kang isang
Ewan ko
vote.
ba dyan? Ba't ka ba nag-ano?
Lagi kasi siyang si Anger sa ano. Lagi po kasi may mga reply niya sa Twitter.
Oh, pero hindi ako nag-update.
Meron po yung last na ni-replyan. Ano ba yung last na
Epal ka, yung cute yung filter. Wag na, TMI ka na.
Hindi siya
TMI
ma-update.
ulit siya. TMI ulit si
Okay,
Joanna.
dito na-update talaga tayo.
Hindi siya ma-update, ma-violent reaction.
Okay, mukhang exciting ang mga sagot natin today. Question number 1 pa lang. Okay, here. Next up, are we ready? Question number 2?
Yes.
Okay, who is most likely to bring a pet during vacation? Ayan, 3, 2, 1. Raise your answers. We got Mika. We got maraming Aya. I think majority si Aya.
Ikaw.
Kahit po ano po, grumpy po yung si Lingling. Kahit
Yes,
usapo na.
we have a cat. But he is
Mini cat.
now in Cebu.
Cebuano
Traveler
na
po
siya. Cebuano na si Ling.
Oo, dinadala niya po sa recording
Ah,
namin.
yes, because before, so we have a cat po kasi. And then, I used to bring him everywhere, cafes, even recording studios. And he even got to be a part of our song and music video. Yeah.
Ng level umaabot na
Shout out kay Lingling. We miss you, Ling.
If you're watching this,
Lingling, maayong udto. Kasi Cebuano na siya. Nasa Cebu na siya. Maayong udto.
ayo-ayo arali.
Ging kamot.
Cute. So, yung mga pets natin, di ba,
part of our families talaga yan. And I wanna talk about kasi alam ko si Maloy meron ka ring Chowlong, di ba?
Hindi po buntis si Chowlong. Lalaki po si Chowlong, hindi po siya buntis.
Ayan, narinig na po natin. Let's clarify lang. Ano ba nangyari doon?
Nagla-live po kasi kami before. Go, ituloy mo. Kwento mo yan.
Kwento mo. Kasi po, nagla-live ako nasa mga Christmas break po noon. Tapos, may pet po kasi kami, Dutch Hun po, si Chowlong po. Ano po siya, nandun po siya sa malusog na family ng mga dogs. Kahit po hotdog po siya na malaki na
jumbo na.
Opo, pero Dutch Hun po siya. Opo, ang weird nga po kung bakit siya lumaki ng ganun. Tapos, ayun po, nagkakwento po ako kasi yun po, na-aksidente po si Chowlong. Huy, it's a serious kwento.
Guys, it's serious. Na-aksidente si Chowlong.
So, na-aksidente siya, siya ng sedan. Tapos, na-vet siya. Oo, siya ng sedan, nabangga siya. Tapos, na-injure siya, pero after nun, okay na siya ulit. Agad, nakakain siya ng chocolate, okay na siya ulit. Chocolate!
Pwede ba yun?
Buhay pa rin siya.
Okay.
So, pwede. Tapos, after nun, dinala ko siya, nagla-live ako, hi, Blows, gano'n, kwento ko. May nag-comment, buntis po ba si Chowlong? Sabi ko, hindi po buntis si Chowlong, lalaki po siya. Yun po yung kwento, tapos, ayun po, nag-viral. Hi, Chowlong! Keep eating. Keep eating.
Rar. And ganoon talaga pag mahal na mahal ang mga pets, di ba? Yung hindi naman yung buntis, siya, love na love. Busog na busog sa love, no?
Grabe.
Ayan, clarified na po, hindi po buntis si Chowlong.
Dahil lalaki po siya. Bakit po si Chowlong?
Okay, so, ayan, mga special, sana meron din si Chowlong na sa music video ninyo, ma-star rin siya doon, no? Kaya ba?
Sa 2030 na music video.
Oh my God. Sana umabot pa sa Chowlong.
Naisip ko na.
Diba?
Chowlong, the newest Beanie star. Diba? Okay. So, speaking of videos, of course, merong OIS and VGIS stabilization features. These are great. Yung features ng Galaxy A35 and A55 5G. So, alam nyo yun, pag may mga, hindi ko alam kung mabilis ba tumakbo si Chowlong?
Hindi po. Kasi mabigat po siya. Hindi po siya mabilis tumakbo.
Siguro si Lingling na lang, no?
Ayan po! Nangahabol po yun.
The best example.
First time kayo makakakita ng pusang nangahabol. Aso lang nangahabol, di ba? Hinabol ka, di ba?
Yan. While Lingling is running around, pwede nyo siyang picturean because there is, kunin nyo ng video, very stable talaga and sobrang linaw pa rin yung magiging video natin. Okay, so, So, Lingling, manghabol ka ulit at very clear, alright? Ang ating videos talaga, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, next up. Question number 3. Who is most likely to overpack when traveling?
Isa lang ang sagot neto.
Para nagkakaisa kami dito.
3, 2, 1. And the winner is Aya!
Sobra to overpacker.
Please explain.
I can confirm and attest to it. Yes po, overpacker po talaga ako. Because, nag-anxiety ako minsan. Because that's why I tend to overpack. Because I want na sure madala ko lahat. Kasi baka magkulang. So kahit ano-ano na po dinadala ko po. Minsan nagdadala ako ng mga
Yung pas na hindi naman gagamitin, dadalhin niya po.
Parang may isa tayong labas na nagdala ka ng ilang heels. 9 pairs yata.
Sa Australia ata.
9 pairs po ng heels. Nakakaloka po, diba?
Just to be sure.
Kaya lagi nakakalimot ng boots.
Pero may 9 pairs of heels siya.
Ay, opo. Ipang sayaw mo yun, Bea.
Wala lang po. Yeah, I tend to be anxious, so I bring everything. Yeah.
Saan actually may tennis si Joe? Mag-overpack din.
Actually,
Baka ako lang to. Baka ako lang.
Ikaw lang.
Minsan po, kasi dahil po siguro leader siya. So, Joe, may steamer ka siyang magdadala. Joe, may magdadala mo siya.
Yung mga necessities, gano'n.
Yes po.
Kayo din naman pantahi.
Ako.
Si Mika.
Si Mika
May
po.
nagpadala ng pantahi.
Okay, so ikaw ba, nagdadala ka ba ng jacket pero sa beach pupunta, gano'n? Hindi naman.
Actually, feel ko kahit ano-ano na lang po dinadala ko po. Yes po, yeah.
Well, at least very sure ka, diba? And also, congrats girls, yun yung first answer nyo na lahat kayo same answer.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Diba? It was for Aya. Okay, so next up, we have, who's most likely to, ito na.
Nakatakot yung ha.
It involves, airports.
Oh.
Okay?
Ano ba yan?
Sure, ate, maiwan?
Uy!
Who is most likely to be late for her flight?
Uy, may
Dalawa
sagot din
yun,
ako.
oh. Dalawa
Meron
yun.
ako. Meron ding na ano na
Okay.
huli talaga.
So, hindi siya same answers. Ay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Bakit siguro?
So, you
yung
have
kwento
Aya.
ni Gwen.
Nahuli to.
Isang beses lang.
Isang beses
Ito
lang.
naman eh. Sarili mo. Random naman nun.
naman
Choose
mo
yourself. Choose yourself.
Sige, kwento mo muna.
Bakit si Gwen?
Bakit si Gwen?
Ay, sorry,
Ay,
naging
wala.
host,
Gwen lang.
naging host ako. Sorry pa.
Ay, kwento mo muna, bakit si Gwen? Rewind. Okay, so
Sorry
kwento
po.
mo muna bakit si Gwen.
Ay, kasi naalala ko lang yung time na pabalik. Tapos, yeah.
Naiwan siya. Ay, naiwan siya na aeroplano. Naalala mo yun, na nag-commute ka na.
Isang beses,
Oo.
nasa Bicol po. Opo. Naiwan ako. Pero iwan madalas ikaw.
Nakikipaglaban in general. One time lang yun, Gwen. One time lang.
Opo. Naiwan
okay.
ako ng plane.
So we have Mika and Aya
Aya
rin ba yung iba? Aya rin lahat. Okay, so si Mika, why'd you pick Mika?
Mika din na alam. Ayaw.
Kasi po si Mixin, pag
Thank
may flight po kami ng madaling araw, hindi talaga siya natutulog po. So parang,
Yeah.
kaya niya po straight. Halimbawa may ganap po kami. Siyempre kami tutulog kami mga kahit 2 hours, ganon, para energized kami. Siya po diretsos talaga. So feeling ko pag nakatulog siya sa airport, di siya magigising. Baka iiwan siya ng aeroplano.
May violent reaction
most
dito.
likely na
bomb. Siya yung magro-ruin ng photo. Ganon.
Ito po. Ayan.
Photo Joanna ruiner. Talaga.
Yeah, not photo bomber.
Photo ruiner.
Alright, so Joanna, you are the photo bomber. Sheena also is a photo bomber. We're gonna test those photo bombing skills later siguro, no? And of course, remember, okay, so Joanna, what do you have to say na ikaw ang photo bomber ng group?
Why do you ruin people's photos daw?
Ang sakit. Si Sheena kaya. Minsan kasi nagtitiktok po ako, tapos may nakanganga sa likod ko.
Ganyan sa kay Sheena.
Si Joanna po kasi, kunwari, ang ganda na ng picture mo. Pero papangitan niyo yung mukha niya para talaga, hindi mo ma-post.
Para hindi ma-post.
So, kailangan gamitin niyo na lang yung object eraser.
Perfect.
Perfect yun. Perfect.
Buong mukha yung tinanggal.
Tanggalin mo
Buong
lahat.
pagkatao ni Jo, i-erase.
Correct. So, object eraser for those unwanted selfies.
Unwanted
person.
Wanted si Joe.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay,
Joe, we still love you.
Basta naka-Samsung, okay lang.
Hey! Ayan, like Dini said, you can use the object eraser to erase yung mga unwanted people, diba? Minsan may mga objects or mga random things na gusto nyo tanggalin. All you do is press down or tap or encircle the object na gusto nyo i-erase. Sana naman wag nyo i-erase si Joanna. Cute pa rin naman yung mga photos.
I-replace na lang ng picture niya na sticker.
Tama.
Okay, number 7 naman. Who is most likely to borrow stuff from other members and say, ay, nakalimutan ko magdala. Borrow.
Ako na to. Can I borrow eyelash glue, girls?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. Aya and...
Actually, lahat ay.
Opo.
Lahat. Wala pong all.
Nakakalimot minsan po.
Ano yung number 1 na nakakalimutan nyo?
In-ear. In-ear monitor. At saka solution ng contact.
Makeup. Ibang parang may kulang sa makeup namin. So, mahiram kami sa iba.
Tsaka pangkulot. Girl, sino may pangkulot?
Si Ate Colette.
Best part, diba? At least kayo, you all help each other talaga. Everyone has something else.
True.
Okay.
Ang maganda sa girls, hindi sila madamot magpahimay.
Aww.
Because we're family.
Wow. Who is most likely to spend a lot on pasalubong?
Ay, eto. Ang dami niyang pamilya.
3, 2, 1, go. Joanna, you are the winner of this round.
Ang kaya kaya!
Ben,
Only child, pero pag nagpupunta tayo sa mga Davao, ganun, tsaka kung saan-saan, ang dami niya laging binibili para sa 3 barangay niya sa Laguna.
Kung meron si Ate Tin, pero wala eh. So, ikaw.
Oo.
Kaya only child po si Joanna, pero yung buong angkan niya, pati mga ancestors niya, bibilhan niya ng OA. Ang OA nun, ang OA. Pero bibilhan niya lahat, mga pinsan niya, pinsan ng pinsan. Bakit, be? Mahal na mahal niya yung family.
Ang dami niya kasing pera.
Hoy, bali!
Yaman kasi
Ako po si Ate Aya, kasi si Ate Aya, pag pupunta siya ibang bansa, may pasalubong talaga siya for us.
Actually.
Oo, guys.
Bumili rin naman ako para sa iyo sa Thailand.
Oo, si Mix din.
May bubog si Mix lagi.
May bubog si Mix.
Very thoughtful talaga kayo.
Thoughtful.
To each other talaga. Oh.
Si Stacy po, nagbigay ng phone.
Oo nga, phone case. Joanna, wag mo papakutin.
Ayoko na.
Si Malo.
Sino ba?
Wala ako, wala.
Next time.
Next question is, who is most likely to mag-TikTok challenge or mag-TikTok dance challenge while on a trip?
Ay, ito.
Ayan, nag-vacation kayo.
Anywhere, anytime.
Tapos naglalakad, tapos mag-TikTok dance challenge. 3, 2, 1, go. And it
Joanna.
is Sheena.
Majority.
Yes. Honestly po, I think it's Ate Jo. Kasi mostly po sa mga trip po namin, siya lagi roommate ko unfortunately, pero every time na talagang nagpapahinga lang ako siya, nag-tiktok sa CR, nag-tiktok sa sala, nag-tiktok sa kama, I'm so tired of her.
GGSS kasi.
Oo po, kahit saan. Si Sheena, ikaw din. Nung
Uy,
nag-China
ikaw
tayo.
talaga.
Nung nag-China po kami, nasa airport kami. May mga foreigners.
Nag-hit me up.
Oo, di ba?
Katapat niya, American.
Matyaga po si Sheena mag-aral ng mga talagang hardcore reels po. Tapos iti-tiktok niya right after agad. Ganun siya.
Si Gwen din, super active ni
Oo,
Gwen.
super active.
Super
Yes.
active yan.
Grabe.
Pero favorite ko yung TikTok ni Jo. Or, you and me is more than... Ang daming beso.
Uy, kayo, si Ate Aya rin, active sa TikTok. Random pinopost ko.
Hindi, yung nakatitig lang siya sa camera tapos lalagyan lang ng caption.
Yun ang mga
Tapos mga point
mga less effort, hindi mga
POV.
sayaw.
So, si Sheena gusto niya yung dance talaga.
Ay, opo.
Si Joanna po.
Mga pang-reels, mga paganda, gano'n.
Ganyan, pa-trend. Sa Aya, mga
random.
Mga effects, yung mga gano'n.
Opo.
Like mga ano.
Filters,
Yeah.
mga filters.
There you go. Okay, ano ba yung recent dance challenge mo, Sheena? Pantropiko?
Hit me up.
Yung topic ko, ano?
Ano nga yun?
Den.
Yung... Opo, deng deng. Deng deng. Deng deng. Deng deng.
Oh, anong title?
Deng deng.
Okay. Ding ding. We will watch the deng deng.
Watch my deng deng.
Alright. Okay, so kanina sa first, who's most likely to question natin, di ba? I asked who is most likely to spend most of her time updating social media, and ang nakakuha ng most answers ay si Joanna and si Maloy. Alright? So, would you like to guys share with us naman? Kasi, you know, ang dami mga blooms, mga viewers siguro na, you know, ang hirap mag-post, ang hirap, hindi nila alam yung mga posing nila, diba? So, you wanna give us some tips on posing and yung mga favorite shots nyo on vacation?
Ikaw.
Go, Maloy.
Favorite vacation pose, ganon.
Yung nakaganon si Ate Malay.
The nose crunch.
Nose crunch.
Let's do it. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Wow.
Cute! Gawin nyo!
Lahat po ba kami?
Okay, sige. Everybody, let's do
Kaya
the
nga, para
Maloy
makita
nose
nila.
crunch. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Cringe ako sa sarili. Sobrang cute mo. Na-threaten ka ako eh. Close up po kay Jo. Close up po. Close up. 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Si Ate Colette din, nose crunch.
Miguel kayo. Ito, pinaka-cute.
Oo, top 2 yan eh.
Knock na lang. I don't want no scrunch. Mali!
Ayan, oh.
Ay, ha. I'll laugh for you.
Sige, mga selfie tips na lang kung ayaw mag-nose
Selfie
crunch. Who's the sino yung mahilig mag-selfie?
Maloy.
Maloy talaga po.
Maloy selfie tips.
And mix. Si Mika.
Ay, oo, si Mika.
Oo, si Mika.
Lagi
Sobrang
nagpa-
lapit.
Pero di lang
Hindi
ako
mo pinapost.
ma-post.
And then, gagawa lang sila ng sticker, si-stick lang nila or ika-copy-paste lang nila yung sticker ni Maloy at their selfie. Tapos, i-judge natin mamaya.
Okay po.
And of course, you can use any of the features in your Samsung phones right now. The Galaxy A35 and A55 5G really have all these features talaga. And nakita naman natin that we've been enjoying all the features. And we'll be using it. Diba? Beanie's gonna be using it during their summer escapades and adventures. Ayan. While they edit or malify their photos today, letting you guys know that you can visit Samsung.com. Of course, if you want to get your very own Galaxy A35 and A55 5G and get exclusive live freebies worth up to 8,070 pesos, including free Buds FE of silicone case, a travel adapter. Again, just head on to Samsung.com and purchase your Galaxy A35 and A55 5G already. And ito na, any of the blooms that stay until the end of the program, may chance kayo para manalo ng signed merch from Beanie. There we go. Nakita na namin to kanina. Kaya kung kakatunan nyo lang, if you just got here, you can get signed merch from Samsung and Beanie, but may pop quiz mamaya. Okay, so sana nakikinig kayo sa mga questions, taking down notes. This is very exciting, but you have to stay until the end of the live stream. Ayan, ready na tayo? ASMR? Very nice angle of you.
Long, like chow long.
You love it po?
Ay!
Wow, so creative.
I will rate that as 10 out of 10.
Thank you.
Because you are the blush.
Thank you.
You make her blush.
You make me blush. But I look like a Princess Stacy.
This is my artwork.
Ay! Ano yan? Ang galing! Tingin.
Can we see?
Twins! I made Ate Colette and Joanna, Ate Maloy variant.
So, this is Maloy, Monami, and Kaloy.
Yes.
Wow.
Maloy, Monami, and Kaloy.
I will rate that at 10 out of 10 because you're so creative.
Cute.
And it's so seamless. Pwede pala
Ang
yan ganyan.
Yeah.
Ang galing ni Stako. Huy, real to. Ang
si
galing niya.
Stakaru?
10 out of 10. Tingnan mo.
Wow. Nakakatakot.
Grabe, and then inedit mo lang talaga siya with your phone. And the,
Walang ibang app, just Samsung.
Wow.
Hey. Oh, diba? So easy.
Okay, next is Mika. Okay, naghang.
Hindi pa daw po siya tapos.
Hindi pa siya tapos.
Nag-edit pa.
Okay, si Gwenny muna.
Wow. Ay. Wow.
Ay!
Parang ano?
Tingin. Patingin ako. Akala ko, mukha akong bundok doon. Ang ganda ni Bebe. Ang ganda ni Bebe.
Ang ganda ni Gwen.
It's a 10 out of 10 because Gwen is so pretty.
You're so cute. 10 over 10 for Gwen.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Parang kang igupin niya na ang bibig ni Maloy.
You're so fun. Ang nakakatawa si Gwen today. She's so funny. She's so funny. 10 out of 10
over
ka.
10 siya.
Gwen, you wanna show it to our viewers?
Wow.
Your work of
Guys, ang
art.
creative talaga ng Bini. I love it.
Aww. Again, everything done on your phone. Sobrang galing nyo. Ang bilis-bilis lang nun, ah. So creative.
Apo.
Okay, who's next?
Next is Ate Oya.
Me, same but different variant. It's this.
Aww. Ang galing. Parang magkasama talaga nilang lahat. It's a 10 out of 10.
Thank you, my
Because we're
dear.
kissing. And we love each other. It's a 10 out of 10.
There you go. Mag-vote na rin kayo, diba? Oh. Which one is your favorite Maloy-fied photo? Okay, next up.
Okay. Next is Colette.
Can I see?
Nama Colette. Ay!
Wow!
Ang cute!
Ang baby yan so dapat 11 out of 10.
Cute. Okay, inutusan niya ako. 11 out of 10. So, makikita
yellow
niyo
din
dito,
yan.
this
Cute.
is the Hambebes. And this is me. It's a 11 out of 10.
An 11 out of 10.
Ang cute. Ang
Kaya pala ang
cute.
tagal. It took a while. Diba?
Oo,
The
pinaghandaan niya. Pinaghandaan.
Ano si Mika?
Are you ready? Okay.
Oh, cute!
It's the Mini Maloy. Mini Maloy.
Ang cute.
Sonny Angel.
Hey, Mini Maloy.
Sonny Angel
It's a
variant.
10 out of... Mukhang Sonny Angel. Yung Sonny Angel na gumagalaw tuwing 3 a.m.
Parang duwende.
And what is your score?
10 out of 10 because I like Mika's smile. She's so pretty. Oo.
Focus sa ano.
Nadidistract ako sa mga mukha nilang magaganda. Anger.
So, ang dami mo na ipopost na photos, Maloy.
Yeah.
Of yourself.
Ipasa niyo sa akin yan,
Alright?
Yeah.
Share it. Quick share it right now para ayan na, posted na. And congratulations. Sobrang creative niyo talaga. And if you guys also want to be able to edit your photos as fast as Beanie, get your hands on your Galaxy A35 and A55 5G. Just head on over to Samsung.com for all of that. Okay, I think ito talaga yung mga, one of my exciting questions for you guys talaga eh. Kasi, you know, as Beanie, ang pinakamalaking kanta ata for the summer is yours, diba? Summer Dance Craze, ibang level na ang naging success ng, of course, song Pantropico. Congratulations on that. And ang dami nag-upload ng dance craze, dance challenges from abroad. Marami na rin, di ba? So, ang dami na rin nag-attend. You had more than 200 fans and dancers for the Pantropico Global Fever. That's crazy. So, okay, because it's been so big already, like, yung question ko talaga is, ano yung, alam niyo ba it would get this big? Like, you know, when you first heard the song, ano yung reaction niyo?
Ako top 1 ko yung Pantropico ko every time na may listening session kami. We had 3 listening sessions po, and then sa tatlong yun, top 1 ko po yung Pantropico talaga. So, malakas yung kutub ko sa Pantropico. I knew it will be a hit. Yeah.
Malaki yung trust namin sa Pantropico, pero parang feeling namin mas nagbigay kami and expect kami sa karera na song namin.
Baby namin yung karera.
Opo, yung karera kasi talagang sobrang hands-on. Lahat nagbigay kami ng input po. Pero itong Pantropico,
hindi namin in-expect. Kasi nirelease namin siya November. So, pa-Christmas, wala siya sa season. So, ang dami nagtatanong bakit daw namin siya nirelease, bakit pa-Christmas. Summer ba? Hindi naman summer, pero nirelease pa rin namin. Pero I think perfect timing siya kasi mas na-milk yung song eh. Tapos ngayon na sobrang tinatangkilik na siya ng mga tao, sobrang perfect niya kasi it's summer. So thank you so much sa lahat po ng mga sumuporta, especially our dearest Blooms. We love you, Blooms! Mwah!
Love you,
Thank you, everybody.
Diba? Because of that, top 5 weekly top artists PH because of Pantropico kayo, diba? And, you know, ang dami nagtatanong, ang dami nagpo-post. Feeling ko until the end of the summer, tuloy-tuloy pa yan. Hanggang every summer siguro, repeat na natin yung Pantropico. But, feeling ko, tinatanong rin ng mga tao and mga Blooms today, if, di ba ang lyrics nyo is, can't wait to go back with you sa islang pantropiko. So, girls, can you tell us, where is your islang pantropiko?
With you.
Wow.
So smooth. Wow.
Diba? So, ang mangyayari, the girls will Google their islang pantropiko on their phones. And then they're going to show us where that is.
I'm ready.
And kayo rin. Sagot rin kayo sa comment section. Baka same kayo ng islang pantropiko. Ang dami pang challenges with the Beanie today. So, that is so exciting. Ready na?
Yes. Ready.
Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Show us your islang pantropiko. Ayan. Okay, let's go one by one and then just mention what island that is.
This is Islang Siargao.
El Nido, Palawan.
Coron,
Palawan.
Anawangin Cove, Zambales.
Bohol po.
Cebu, Philippines. Palawan din.
Boracay.
Ayan, I hope na pare-pareho kayo ng islang pantropiko. Ang dami nga sa comment section. They said, same as Bora. Also, their islang pantropiko. And another one says, Siargao nga ang the best islang pantropiko. Nakapunta na ba kayo sa mga islands?
Not yet. 100 Islands.
Yes. It's time. Feeling ko pocket events. Wow. Right?
Yeah.
All around. Okay. So, ito na. Islang Pantropicos for all of us. And the dance challenge has been posted a lot. Pero honestly, girls, hindi ko pa siya alam.
Bakit po?
Perfect time to
Kasi
learn.
sabi ko, I just like watching the challenges, diba? Pero naisip ko, since nandito na kayo, I think this is the perfect time. Is it okay if I ask you girls to teach me?
Yes!
Wow.
Of course.
Sure.
All right, so we have Beanie members who will be teaching me the dance challenge today. Oh no. We have Sheena and Mika while everybody will be here and we're gonna learn the Pantropico Dance Challenge.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Take it away, girls.
Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's
Am I ready though?
You're ready. I can feel it.
Okay.
Hype you guys up.
Okay. And then you need to start it really strong.
Okay, strong.
Okay? Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, ta-da-da. And then you need to sway your hips. Bawat araw mas sumasaya.
With the live
vocal.
Yes.
Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, sway. Ta. Look there. And then ta. And then swipe it. Yes. And then you gotta do no, open. And then this. And then
Cross.
And then
Alam ko eh, no? Yes, and then, what else?
Ako po yung nakakalimot. And then cross, open. And then feel yourself. Oh, here, you feel yourself more. Ta. And then up. And then, this is the key. This is the Islang Pantropiko.
Okay.
5, 6, and 7,
Wait.
8.
Okay, this is a key.
Yes, that's the
I
point.
need the key.
And then, footwork.
Wow.
1, 2, and 3,
Wow.
4.
Slower.
Okay.
Single,
5,
double,
6,
double.
7, 8, and 1.
Single,
Double.
Yay.
That's it.
Got it.
And then, hindi pa po tapos. Meron pa po. But this is the easy part. And ito yung talagang alam ng mga ano.
Okay,
The next one.
Okay, got it. Got
Okay.
it.
Super easy. 5, 6,
Yes.
7, 8,
Down, up.
and 1.
Oh, this is my favorite part.
Yes. 1,
1, 2,
3,
up,
4, and then cross.
Right.
Sa islang. And then wave. That's the beach. And then one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kabila naman po. 5, 6 and wave.
Yeah. Kita-kita tayo sa wave.
Yeah. Sa wave.
See you here.
Let's try one countings before we do music.
Okay. All right.
5, 6, 7, tarara. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, then cross 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Foot. 1, single, double, 5, 6, 7, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa islang pantropiko. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa islang pantropiko.
Feeling ko ready na tayo mag-shoot gamit ang ating sense.
I think we're sure
music.
Hit it na.
Are we sure? Okay, Joanna will record the evidence.
Yeah.
Go, Jo.
Go, Jo, galingan mo.
0.5.
Naka-pose ka ba?
Naka-pose siya.
Let's go!
Music, please!
Go, guys!
Music maestro! Woohoo!
Full out!
We will support.
Yes!
Let's go! It feels so good. Ako tayo masaya. Magmula na nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba. Kikikating na. Feel like lang. Parang islang patropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ayun na. Sa islang patropiko. Sa islang patropiko. Good job!
Galing.
Grabe, fast learner.
Fast learner.
Ang bilis.
Grabe.
Ay, wait,
Main dancer.
may share po ako. Kasi nanginginig po yung kamay ko kanina.
Kasi hindi na-record.
Sobrang pasmado ko po kasi pero sa video, super stable. Ay, ito, ang stable ng video. Parang may stand tayo na gamit. Ang tangkad parang 7 feet.
Wow.
Parang di ako nanginginig. Pasmado po kasi
Pwede
ako.
ka na maging stand, Jo. Mag-video ka na.
Okay, hinga. Thank you so much, girl.
Thank you po.
Thank you po. I've been Beanie for a day. Beanie Cats, diba?
Beanie Cat.
That's who we are. Alright, so, ayan, tama nga, stable. Can we watch the video?
Yes,
Ayan.
let's watch the video. Pasmado po talaga.
Ang galing, stable na stable talaga siya. Wow.
Sorry ako yun.
Ang galing naman ng teachers ko eh.
Diba?
Puro hippos na yan.
Oh, diba? Alright, thank you so much, girl. Sobrang, I was so encouraged. Sobrang, sa mga cheers nyo, very supportive. Beanie Cats. Beanie Cats for a day. Alright. first live performance on TV in 2020, and then your debut single, Born to Win. And after that, you know, so many more memories and photos and experiences that you have as a group. I'm sure ang dami-dami yung gustong i-post, pero yes, nasa inyo pa rin, diba? So I want to talk about, you know, how was that for you? Like, how was, you know, your debut single and your journey so far as Beanie from then and now?
I feel like back then it was very much harder compared to now because we were debuted in the middle of the pandemic. So we were just shooting in front of cameras. We never had like experience when it came to performing in front of an audience and the noise and the cheers. Yeah, and we also had to do everything like kami lang talaga. Like our coaches would be the ones shooting our dance videos also, and we had to like run them 10 times just for one song so that we could get all the angles because we only had one camera. Yeah.
So everything had to be like in a small studio lang versus
inside our house po.
Yeah.
We used to be housed
and we
together.
couldn't go home like every day.
We couldn't even go out to see our family and friends po. Yes.
Limited resources ng mga tao. Limited lang din po kasi pandemic. Very strict pa nung time na yun.
Versus now na pag lumalabas kayo to perform for everyone, how does it feel na, diba?
Kaya na-amaze po kami pag laging may ganap po kami outside and then ang daming tao. Parang na-overwhelm po talaga kami. Feeling namin yung iba doon, hindi na mga tao. Sobrang dami po talaga. AI. Nagmumultiply talaga sila po. Kaya pag mga cheers nila, lalo pag close yung venue namin, sobrang dami talaga. Hindi na po kami nagkakarinigan sa performance namin kahit naka-in-ear po kami. Yung sigaw nila nakaka-capture na ng mic namin. So,
lagot kayo.
Parang, pakantahin nyo kami.
So, ano kailangan nila gawing cheer quieter?
Ay, parang boo. Normally po kasi, di ba, pag halimbawa sa mga groups, sa mga K-pop, P-pop, may fan chant po talaga. Normal yung sumasabay sila. Pero may parts lang sa song. Sila po kasi buong
kanta. Yes.
Kinakanta po nila.
Sinasabayan nila.
Parang nila yung may show. Kami na po yung nandun lang.
Meron akong nakitang tweet na sa rap part namin sa Salamin, buong rap part. Tapos biglang sinigaw lahat ng Bloom na yun. Tapos biglang may nag-tweet, ba't parang nag-iba yung boses ni Mika, Stacy, tsaka ni Aya? Sana okay lang sila. Sana nakakapagpahinga pa sila.
Ginagawa po nilang karaoke po yung mga shows po namin.
Exactly. Tapos meron pa, thank you, Beanie, sa panood ng mall show ng Blooms. Kasi parang kami na yung nanonood sa kanila. Grabe sila.
But that's how crazy and how loving your fans are to you guys talaga. Memorize lahat. Diba? They will really be there. Emotions, nandun talaga lahat. And it's also because of what you girls give to them, right? Okay, so we're so excited. Ano kayang magiging result sa Beanieverse niyan? 3 days yon.
Sabi po namin sa third day, pag wala na po ko yung mga bosses, sila na po kumanta.
Kayo na kumanta. O, diba? At least you can do that. Alam nyo, memorize nila lahat. Right? Performance level. Alright, speaking of performances, sa dami, you know, you guys started 2020 and sa dami-dami yung performances, ang dami-dami nyo na rin napanalu ng mga awards.
Thank you, Lord.
Diba? Congratulations na, you know, ngayon pa lang kayo, you know, ngayon, wala pa kayong 10 years in the industry and you already received so many awards. You are so loved. You have the P-Pop Awards 2023, right? We have Sheena as the top female dancer.
Yes!
We have Aya as the top female visual.
Visual hold. Shut up.
And the top female leader, Joanna.
Master Jo. Ang feeling. Leader ng buong P-pop. Close up.
So, Sheena, Aya, Joanna, how did you girls feel nung nanalo kayo ng mga awards nito in 2023?
Dapat na hindi kasi wala po kami nung mismong awarding nito. May ganap tayo nun. So, hindi po kami, hindi kami yung nakatanggap talaga nung trophy. Pero, syempre, nag-send kami ng pa-thank you namin. Thank you message po. So, thank you, Blooms, kasi nandito. Salamat po. Hindi ko alam ano dapat ma-feel doon sa top female.
Grateful.
Oh, grateful. Thank you po. Thank you, Blooms.
Nahiya lang. Nahiya.
Kasi top favorite group rin kayo nung P-Pop Awards 2023, right? That's so thank you very much, Blooms, for all of that. Next up, we have the 9th Push Awards. You got P-Pop Group of 2023. How did that feel?
Ito din, nasa ganap din tayo nung nalaman natin na... Oo, di ba laging nasa ganap? May kasabay din to eh. Parang nakakuha tayo ng 2 awards in one day. Ano tong isa? Basta may kasabay po to na award din itong Push Award.
Push Award.
Ay, nasa China po kami.
Sa China natin, sinute yung pa-thank you namin. Kasi, wala,
hindi namin makukuha
ng live.
Pero thank you po sa mga bumoto po for
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Sobrang.
And they will keep voting as we found out kasi nga in 2024 naman, 2024 Excellent Filipino Awards National Outstanding P-Pop Female Group of the Year. You also have ito talaga. 2024 Billboard Philippines Women in Music Rising Star Award. Ang daming kinilig, ang daming sound. What is your reaction to this? How did you guys feel when you found out?
Sobrang kinilig po kasi we couldn't believe that we became a part of the award. Kasi po, Billboard is such a big name and first yata here in the Philippines to have that kind of award. And we got to share the stage alongside with iconic artists. So, sobrang kinilig po kami and we're so honored and grateful for it. So, thank you, Billboard, and to everyone who voted.
And, you know, it's proof naman talaga siya because you guys, you girls, 3 million monthly listeners kayo naman kasi. Diba? Highest peak of any P-pop group. Wow. Yes, wow. That is indeed. But also because you work so hard and we're so thankful na you really put out the music that you love. And it really looks like you really care for the Blooms and your fans talaga. Alright, so of course, simula pa lang to, we are looking forward to all the other awards that you will be winning in the future. Not just here, but also internationally. Yes. Speaking of internationally, dream big na tayo. Okay? Dream as big as you can. What is the dream project of Beanie?
Biggest dream ever po.
Biggest dream ever.
If dream big
like
talaga,
where to
Grammy.
perform, hopefully.
Where to perform.
Coachella. Grammys.
Dream big na.
Yeah.
Coachella, mag-ingay!
Ginilagets.
Mag-ingay!
Ayan, Coachella. So, Blooms, kayo rin. Ano yung mga big dreams nyo for Beanie? Comment it para magka-idea rin kayo, di ba? Is Coachella the biggest?
Grammys.
Oh,
yeah.
Super Bowl.
Grannies na lang po.
Who knows?
Super Bowl as well. We also have comments
Super
here.
Bowl.
Yeah, and we hope to fill up the Philippine Arena.
Oh my God, yes.
Manifest.
So, dito sa Philippines, fill the Philippine Arena.
Yes.
And then Coachella, we have the Grammys. Sabi nga ng isa sa comments natin, dream for Beanie, bigger concert sa bigger venue.
Yes.
We will make
One
it
day.
happen. We will
Soon,
make it happen.
soon.
Hopefully, malay nyo bago matapos yung year. Sana, di ba, hindi natin masasabi.
Baka marinig kayo ng
Hopefully.
universe.
Yeah, let's
We shall
manifest.
see.
And another one says naman, manifesting a Beanie World Tour.
Baka marinig ulit kayo.
I-manifest lang natin, guys.
Louder pa, guys.
Louder, maririnig kayo ng universe.
Pakabait lang kayo at malay niyo.
Pero with the ways everything's starting, di ba? Ang dami-dami nyo nang na-accomplish and yet you are just starting out. We are so excited for everything that you will be accomplishing. Feel ko talaga yung world tour. Yan, very soon na yan. Oh. Because of all the Blooms around the world, kailangan, need na siya, no? You need to reach them. Okay, so, we have another challenge up for you. Ready ba kayo for another challenge?
Yes! We are ready.
Yes, I feel like super duper ready, and this one is very exciting. It is called the 2 times Speed Dance Challenge.
Game na ba?
Okay. It is our final challenge for all of you. And I'm sure familiar kayo dito kasi madalas pinapagawa to sa mga idol groups, right?
Yeah.
This is the 2x Speed Dance Challenge featuring your song, Salamin Salamin. So, ito na. Pipili na kayo. Sino ba ang mga...
I heard Colette, Joanna. I heard Colette.
Ate Colette, Gwen, and Stacey.
Oh, kayong tatlo.
Take the stage.
Go, Colette.
So, let's have Colette, Gwen, and Stacey.
Go, Stacey.
So, since last challenge na to, dito na tayo mag-cheer.
Yeah.
Let us support. And medyo mahirap
Unleash
to.
that side of yours.
Ayan na.
Show your fullest of all.
Totoo,
Fullest.
3 times.
Ayun na ang leader ng mga
Pinaka-full
OA.
out.
Ate Colette, OA dapat daw.
Yeah,
This is our OA
pinaka-OA.
line.
Pinaka-OA. Gawin nyo for Samsung.
The fastest
ayan,
and
ha.
fullest out.
Walang
Ready?
fullest
Gawin ko
out.
to kung may ganun akong box. Yung
Gusto mo rin ng merch nyo?
Sira mo ng merch.
Self-merch.
Guys, pa-OA-han to ha.
Pa-OA yan ha.
May libreng cellphone.
All for Samsung. Kaya nyo yan.
Okay, ready?
For blooms.
3,
Let's go.
2, 1, go.
Go guys!
Colette, huwag ka papatalo! Go, Colette! Tatlo kayo! Go, Colette! Gwen! You can do it! Hey! 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 Ha! 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 Oh! Oh! Oh!
To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the right, to the right.
Wow!
More! Go, 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 go. Hey!
Go, Gwen!
Guys, particles na lang si
Parang
Gwen.
sabi ko post yun.
Minsan
hindi
lang
sila-
gumalaw to. Particles na lang siya.
Let's give them a round of applause. Grabe.
Guys, kasama si Gwen. Gwen, particles na lang siya, guys.
Guys, ito tuloy si Gwen. Uy.
Ako
Ang galing-galing. Parang ang dali lang. No?
Ang dali kay Stacey po. She's so
Yeah,
used to
so
it.
basic.
Para
Wala
siyang
pa mas
bibigyan.
mabilis.
Ay, may one more.
Basta mabilis daw po.
I think solo.
Faster
Joke lang, joke lang. Kami kakanta.
Hindi ko kaya niya 4 times.
kakanta.
Five, six, seven, go.
Kailangan at a 4 times challenge.
Natawa kay Gwen. Pag si Gwen ginawa po yun, microorganism na lang
Si
siya.
Gwen dapat metronome.
Metronome dapat.
Alright, amazing job, girls. Next time, 4 times speed na ang gagawin natin for that one. And papanood niyan, of course. I'm so excited to be here talking about your Beanieverse and of course, your partnership with Samsung. But, you know, kanina pa natin pinag-uusapan. We got to know you a little bit more. We got to know you better here at the Samsung live stream. Pero, since nga, ang dami na nating info na nabigay sa ating mga blooms na nanonood, it is time to give away. Colette, papibigay na natin yung merch. Okay lang ba?
Ate Colette.
I want one.
Hindi ba ka naman umulan ng mga ba? Mamaya-maya.
Tingnan natin, baka you walk out of here with your own. Yes. Ayan. Bago tayo magpaalam, as you can see, itong exact merch ang makukuha ninyo. So, Beanie signed it, they held it, they gave it their love. Kaya naman, kung yung mga sagot sa mga tanong, kailangan nakinig talaga kayo from the start of the live stream, right? This is signed merch, of course, the Samsung XU collaboration. The artwork is created by Bea Policarpio and it even resembles an islang pantropico.
Yeah.
There is a mini bag, perfect for summer, and the stickers that you can use to customize your own device. Now, ang gagawin natin ay we have a total of 3 questions. Pinag-usapan namin ito kanina sa segment called Who's Most Likely To? The Samsung social media team will be giving the cue in the comment section. So kahit alam niyo yung answer sa question, i-comment nyo lang pero hintayin nyo muna ang Samsung representative para valid yung answers ninyo, alright? For the first 2 questions, we have 2 winners each. And for the last question, we will only have 1 winner na signed merch, okay? We'll share the question and then after 5 seconds, you guys can answer. So please wait for the cue for social media team para maging valid ang mga answers ninyo. So girls, pwede kayo magbigay ng clue. Yeah. Give your clues as well, all right? Okay, let's go. For the Samsung XU Beanie signed merch, question number 1, we have 2 winners. The question is, who is most likely to use the stable HDR video feature to film their pet during vacation? Ooh.
Titingnan ko na lang yun.
Anong clue natin? Can't buy me love. Yung clue.
Yung name ng
Pangalan ng
character
bida.
doon, some name nung
Pets niya.
Manood kasi kayo.
Oo.
Pinanood eh. Nagalit.
Okay, I think hindi masyadong obvious yung answers.
Dapat paghihirapan nyo.
Lalo na yung mga nakinig kanina, di ba?
Yes.
Alright, so don't forget or don't worry because someone from Samsung will message you if you win. So all you do is comment. Comment lang gagawin natin. And let's see if you win the Samsung XU Beanie signed merch. Question number 2. Who's most likely to photobomb in a selfie and get edited out using the object eraser?
Clue. Alam nyo na yan.
I think clue.
Dapat alam niyo.
And you will never be silly. Clue, sobrang haba ng pilikmata niya.
Or haba.
Magsukutan tayo.
Ayan na.
Alam nyo na.
Mahirap
Ang feel ng beanie.
Of course, this is for merch signed by Beanie talaga. Ayan, hawak-hawak nila ang Samsung XU collab. Wait for the cue before you give your answers. And we have one last question. This one winner only. Who is most likely to use their Galaxy A55 5G to film a TikTok dance challenge while on a trip?
Yeah, the zoom inner.
Nako, Bloom.
Yes.
Dapat alam
Si
niyo to.
zoom in, zoom out.
Zoom inner.
Yan.
Sample nga.
Si Pantropico Girl.
Ang favorite niyang TikTok challenge right now is the ding ding.
Ding, ding.
Ding, ding.
It's
And
the ding ding.
Kamukha niya po yung pet niyang si Wonnie.
Yeah.
Ito po yung
Nakawali
photo.
ng mga clue.
Alright, so we have 5 winners. Sana nanalo kayo, Blooms.
5 winners.
I hope you get these and mukhang nagpipay attention nga ang mga Blooms today because ang dami nating information that was given and we learned so much about Beanie today. But don't forget or don't worry because Samsung will message you if kayo ang nanalo ng Samsung XU. And don't worry, hindi kukunin ni Colette ito specifically. Bibigyan namin siya ng her own, right?
Oh, I want din po.
Ako lang daw, guys.
I want din.
Share daw kayo, ikot-ikot siya. Like Beanie. Okay, so girls, ayan na, may umiikot na dito ng... Going around the world to manifest the world tour.
Yes! That's a sign. Ano
Nagpaparinig.
yun?
Manifesting it as well. Girls, thank you so much. We know that sobrang busy nyo with your concert, with your preparation, and with your all your activities. And yet, you always make time to be connected with Blooms, with your fans, and with everyone else. So we want to thank you so much. But before we let you go in your on your own already, we want to ask you guys, is there any, final message that you want to tell our viewers today?
Thank you, Bloom, sa mga nanood po ng live stream today. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo and may nalaman ulit kayo na about us. And sana supportahan niyo po yung mga next ganap namin.
Sa mga next ganap po namin with Samsung. Hopefully more lives and live shows, diba?
And also our Beanieverse concert.
Yes.
Guys, it's the perfect opportunity for you to use your dual cam and your stable stabilization for
Para kuha nila yung reaction ng sarili
Yes.
nila and video ng mga performance
Yeah.
namin. So, get your Samsung now.
Saka hindi namin hahawakan yung phone mo unless hindi
Samsung.
So, might as
Go get
well
yours now.
go get yourself a Samsung phone.
Yeah.
A35 5G and A55 5G.
I hope you guys post it so we can see your POVs. Yes.
And stream Tala Arawan!
Happy 3 million Spotify monthly listeners!
3.1 kahapon.
Wow.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Bloom.
Thank you, Blue!
Thank you, Blue.
everyone.
We love you.
There you heard it. So, yun nga. Hindi daw nila hahawakan ang phones nyo, Blooms, kung hindi A35 and A55 5G. Paano ba yan? I think it's time to get your Samsung Galaxy A35 and A55 5G. But we got you on Samsung.com. You can get up to 8,000 plus pesos of freebies. You get Buds FE. You get a silicone case. You also get a travel adapter. But the most important is partner kayo, same kayo ng Beanie, ng phone. And if makita nyo sila out there, kukunin nila yung phone. Kayo nakukuha, diba?
Yes, kami mag-aabot. Kami pa magpipicture.
Yes.
Right, there we go. All right. Before you go as well, we have one last surprise for everybody. We have a Ay, nasya ka? Maloy.
lang.
We have one last surprise for everybody. We have, of course, you are here. Since nandito tayo sa Create Awesome Live, you will be performing your brand new song, Salamin, Salamin.
Let's go.
There you go. So girls, go ahead. I think you have to do a little bit of preparation muna.
Yes.
As you do that, thank you so much for joining us. Sige, breathe, breathe. And then we will see you in here in just a bit.
Thank you.
See you later.
All right, Blooms, viewers, are you guys ready? Please welcome, performing their newest song, Salamin, Salamin, it's Beanie!
Ayoko maniwala Oh no, oh no. Please celebrate knocking on money Lord. Bakit ko pa sikit-sikit para pang pinagpaiktikit natin sa magkita sa pagtalaga ang next mo po. Gusto ko lang naman malaman. Oh my, now it's not too late. I'm ready. You can hug your peg. Bakit mo din tanongin? Ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit puso'y napipili? Bakit tumitingin sa bakit ano gagawin? Bakit na dingding na ito ng pag-ibig? Bakit kailan ka bago papansinin?
That was so good! Congratulations, girls! Alright, this is the Create Awesome Live here at Samsung. Beanie, salamat. Thank you for being here. So all of you guys watching, make sure to buy your own Galaxy A35 or A55 5G and get exclusive freebies worth up to 8,070 pesos, including free Buds FE, a silicone case, and a travel adapter. But again, sabi nga ng Beanie, sila pa ang hawak ng phone ninyo. Diba? If it is a Galaxy A series, ayan, you got it here. Now, together with Beanie, my name is Kat Salaw. Make sure to follow Samsung on socials and all their social medias and catch the next Create Awesome Live of Samsung. Hashtag Team Galaxy. Bye!
Bye! Bye! Thank you! May pag-asa na baka sukot na kaibigan. Nahiwalay sa langit, ilan ba niya aaminin? Kanyang tunay na pag-ibig. Ang sa langit, ang puso'y natititig.